Bigfoot. Native American and Canadian Indian tribes have passed down stories going back thousands of years about giant ape men living in the forests of the western United States and Canada. They called these creatures Sasquatch, Yeren, or mountain devils. Regardless of the name, the descriptions of these animals are usually the same. The Bigfoot is usually described as being very tall, well over 2 meters. It is covered in thick, dark hair and usually gives off a bad odor. The Bigfoot's body is usually very muscular and ape-like, yet it walks upright and has a face more similar to that of humans than of apes. For the most part, these creatures appear not to be violent or aggressive. Bigfoot sightings are usually of lone or single creatures, but there have been reports of people seeing groups or families of Bigfoot. People in other countries also tell stories of similar ape men. In the Himalayas, a mountain range in Nepal, people call these creatures Yeti, or abominable snowmen. The Africans call them Ngoloko, and the Chinese tell stories of the Jinsung, or bear men. Though sightings have been reported for centuries, is there any scientific evidence for the existence of these creatures? Some say yes, and others say no. Dr. Grover Krantz, a physical anthropologist at the University of Oregon, believes that Bigfoot may be a type of creature known as a Gigantopithecus. A Gigantopithecus is an animal that lived in Asia over 300,000 years ago and looked like a mix between an ape and a very large man. Dr. Krantz believes that these animals, which lived long before humans, may have migrated from Asia and decided to settle in the heavily wooded area of the Pacific Northwest. Agar başka yordam kerak bolsa, bemalol sorang.